Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Rafa back at the charts again, and today was crazy, guys. Took a lot of trades today. I was trading on US 500. I was trading the SP 500 and gold today. On gold, I was not that good today, but I was even better on US 500, on SP 500. And yeah, I was working on some course content because right now I'm working on a $10,000 FTMO challenge I'm recording every trading session for the course, just to have this section inside of the course, how to pass these prop trading challenges and how you can become consistently profitable with as a prop trader, get funded real money, and yeah, trade a FTMO account, guys. I made a couple of weeks ago, maybe a few months ago, I was making a video about FTMO, explain you how this works, how you can get funded, how you can get big capital to trade with. FTMO is one of the biggest in this industry and one of the best in this industry as well. So yeah, I think I will put 2 or 3 links down below where you can learn more about FTMO. I have one video where I explain something about FTMO, and I have another video where some of my students giving their best advice how you can pass these challenges, and I will put this link down below as well, and the link to FTMO of course as well. If you want to try a free trial, like, you can hop on a free trial, and I suggest everybody to do that before you step into the game with real money, with your own money. Guys, take some of these free challenges on FTMO. They offer a free challenge where you don't need to pay anything, but they give you nice statistics in here where you can track your results and everything. So it's really nice. You have a nice statistic. You can go over all these trades, and you can see very detailed statistics about your trading journey. So this is one of the best things that you can do if you're a beginner trader, guys. So I really want you all to check FTMO before you think about any investment with your own money. All right, so what I did today on FTMO, I was trading gold and SP 500 as well. On gold I made a little loss, and on SP 500 I was able to bank 1.2%. Overall I finished this day with 0.5% profit. I'm on the second round on this account, so I need to make 5%, and I have 2 months time for that. So yeah, I finished the first stage, I think it was in September last year, and I didn't touch it from then. Now I started the second round on January, 2 weeks ago in January, and I just did 4 trading days. The 17th was a Friday where I opened a position and instantly regretted, and I closed it because I didn't want to take this trade. So I was trading 4 trading days so far. I'm up 4.5%, just 0.5% left, and I still have 1.5 months time to pass this challenge with 5% profit. Like, in the first round they want you to have 10% gain in 30 days, and the second round you get 60 days to make 5%, just to confirm your challenge, and then they will fund you with real money. This is how they do it. And yeah, so I'm so close before finishing this second round, and then I'm going to hop on to the $25,000 challenge and record all the trades that I take on this challenge as well, and put all of the good stuff inside of the Genius Trading Masterclass course. To help all my students out to pass these challenges, become funded, and make a living off of trading. That's the goal, all right? But now today, let's talk about the US 500, the SP 500, and what I found here today. Well, during the London session, we created this low and this high in here, and when we traded into the New York session, you see how this equal highs over here got taken out. Like, after I saw that this high is taken out and we have a clear break of structure in here, I was super sure that we are going to hunt this low next. This is where most of the guys who went long in here, most of them had their stop in here and in here. So these are areas where many buyers have their stops sitting, and so I tried to hunt them with the market makers, and it worked out pretty well. I was just closing a little early because the market was slowing down in here, and I didn't want it to take a lot of drawdown on that trade, so I closed this one at around a 2-to-1, around about a 2-to-1 in here. And yeah, this was a beautiful trade. And my initial bias for the day was I wanted to see some stop orders get hit from buyers in here, and then I wanted to get long because the overall direction on SP500 is bullish the last days. As you can see, it is bullish, and I'm sure we are going to hunt some more higher targets. Like, we are chasing higher targets, higher highs, and this is what I wanted to see, guys. So I was waiting for some stops to get hunted, and then I wanted to get in with a buy. So I took a buy position in here. We had a nice reaction, but market turned around, stopped me out, unfortunately. Then I took another trade after I got stopped out because I'm still thinking like the market wants to play with me, and it just wants to hunt some more liquidity before rally up. And we had another very nice reaction, but it came back for a third strike, and I got stopped out 2 times, and I took the third position, and this one worked out pretty well. I was closing at around, it was kind of a 3-to-1, 3.5-to-1, something like that. It was a beautiful trade. Took 0.5% risk, made around 1.5, something like that. Yeah, it was beautiful. So SP500 was a nice trade. My initial target was, of course, somewhere here, but I didn't want to hold this trade for too long because we took out this. I mean, if some sellers, if you are selling here, you probably have your stops somewhere above this. Like, retail have their stops above this trend line somewhere in here. So as soon as we slashed through it, and it didn't speed it like crazy, it came back, it rejected. We had a nice wick in here. I exited the trade, and I was happy to leave the table for the day because it was pretty tough. I was trading gold in the London session, didn't work out so well. I was missing one pretty nice opportunity. As you can see, I've shared this one with the free Telegram channel. I was trying to get in here. I was waiting for a pullback because we slashed through yesterday's low. We took out this low in here, and after that we had a nice reaction. So I really wanted to buy gold, but it was just running without me, and I feel so bad. After that I took 1 or 2, I think it was 2 sell positions because I thought we are going to hunt this double bottom in here. Never came back, took 2 losses on gold in a row on that one. And then later on during the New York session, I took a sell. In here. I was hunting the big figure number 1,800. I was looking for a sell into this 1,800 big figure number, maybe down to this double bottom in here, but it never came back into that zone. So I was taking profits on this sell opportunity. Then later on, when I saw this nice reaction here, when it came back, I was buying this thing. Unfortunately, I was moving after this push in here. You see that push? I was moving my stop just below that one over here. Then the price slashed back, stopped me out, and moved without me. Like, my idea was to get in with a buy on gold as well. I kind of like had the same buyers like I had on US 500, but gold was a little bit tricky, and I was really thinking after this push in here that it will come back to grab these lows, and then I was ready to take a position in here, but it never came back to hit my entry and just moved without me. Sometimes that happens. You have to move on and wait for the next setup, guys. You cannot take every trade. I mean, it would be so nice to be on that move, but sometimes it's just like that. You cannot take every trade. You won't get any opportunity, but you need to know that the market will open up again tomorrow. So yeah, it is how it is, guys. Sometimes this shit happens. It feels stupid, but yeah, you cannot do anything about it. Next time, maybe I will let my stop at here around here, and don't be too scared about giving back too much. But yeah, it is how it is. I took this decision. I have to live with it. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today, guys. It was for me. It was a nice day. I have had a nice progress on the FTMO, and yeah, I'm going to continue. I hope tomorrow I can win this challenge to finish it easy in 5 days. The first challenge where I had to make 10%, it took me 11 days. Tomorrow would be the 5th day for the second round. Maybe I can finish it, so I would be an average of around 1% per day, which is pretty nice, guys. If you make this calculation, you make you make 1% every day, and you have like maybe 20 trading days, 20% per month on a regular basis. It's crazy. Just imagine you get like a $400,000 account and you manage to make 20% every month. That's $80,000, and you get 80% of that. That's pretty nice money, guys. I'm telling you. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you had fun. I hope it was insightful and helpful. If so, make sure to smash that like button. YouTube loves it. And subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to make sure you get notified when I drop a new video, so you stay tuned about my trading journey and learn from that as well, of course. Have a good time, guys. Stay healthy. Peace out.